What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This is Nyla with another Skyway Classic. Today I have a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet El Camino. Looking really sharp with the white and kind of cream interior. We've got rally wheels with some knockoff style center caps, but it does look really sharp. The paint is in great condition. All of the chrome fittings and chrome lining is as it should be. It's not pitted or rusted or anything like that. Just really, really good looking Camino. Take a look on the inside here. Loving the white and the cream. Got the cloth bench seat. Real nice. It is automatic transmission. It's got an updated stereo in there. Really, really nice. Super clean. Just doing a quick little walk around so you can get a little feel for it. Next up, I'm going to start the engine. We'll take a look at the engine bay. This does have a 283 V8 engine with Edelbrock aluminum intake and carburetor. Really nice. Cowl hood, dual exhaust, 4 chrome aluminum radiator. And the engine compartment is very clean and detailed, so we'll take a look at that next. Stay tuned. Here we are inside the 65 El Camino. Got it started up, running nice and smooth, nice and quiet. It does have that upgraded stereo with new speakers, so pretty sweet. Got some tunes. All right, we're gonna come around this trailer. We got some cars going out today. This car does not have power steering, so you have to actually drive, you know? I kind of like it. Works those arm muscles a little bit. So we're taking a little cruise. I like to just do a short cruise so you can kind of hear the transmission, make sure the car's not making any kind of crazy noises. Feels real good. And the brakes feel really nice as well. Just a cool El Camino, if that's what style you're looking for. That bed back there is really nice, and it's got the rubber mat in there, so it keeps it protected. We'll come up here and let it go through the gears one more time. Why not? Looks like all the gauges are working properly here. Maybe not the clock, but that's typical. But just a solid 65 El Camino. The blinkers do work. I was just testing those out a second ago. You can see how it's lit up there. Pretty sweet. We'll let these cars go by and we're gonna take it back to the shop and I'll take a look underneath. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.